the showcase on how AI is integrated into various aspects of our daily lives. Voice assistants. Artificial intelligence-powered voice assistants can help with tasks, answer questions, and control smart devices. Artificial intelligence can analyze fitness data and provide personalized workout plans. Music and movie recommendations can be done with the help of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can provide personalized recommendations for music and movies. Users can communicate across different languages with the help of translation tools. Automatic vehicles can analyze email content. Artificial intelligence enables self-driving cars, making transportation safer and more efficient. Setting reminders, sending messages, and making calls are some of the tasks that an artificial intelligence assistant can perform. Facial recognition. AI can be used for secure authentication and identification through facial recognition technology. Smart farming. AI can monitor crop health, optimize irrigation, and predict weather patterns for improved agricultural practices. Online customer support. AI-powered chatbots can provide instant customer support on websites and social media platforms. Fraud detection. AI algorithms can analyze patterns and detect fraudulent transactions in banking and finance. Personalized newsfeed. AI can curate news articles and social media content based on user preferences and browsing history. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, AI algorithms enhance VR and AR experiences by creating realistic simulations and enhancing visual effects. Intelligent email categorization. AI can automatically sort and categorize emails based on content, making inbox management easier. Health monitoring. AI-powered wearables can track vital signs, detect anomalies, and provide health insights. Online shopping recommendations. AI algorithms analyze user behavior and purchase history to offer personalized product recommendations. Natural language processing. AI can understand and interpret human language, improving voice recognition and language translation systems. Sentiment analysis. AI algorithms can analyze social media posts and customer feedback to gauge sentiment and make data-driven decisions. Personal finance management. AI-powered apps can track expenses, provide budgeting advice, and suggest investment strategies. Image and video editing. AI algorithms can enhance images, remove unwanted objects, and improve video quality. Predictive text and autocorrect. AI algorithms in smartphones and keyboards can predict and correct text as users type. Speech recognition. AI enables accurate speech recognition technology used in voice-to-text applications. Home energy management. AI can optimize energy consumption by analyzing usage patterns and controlling smart appliances. Personalized learning. AI algorithms can adapt educational content to individual learning styles and provide personalized recommendations. Traffic prediction. AI can analyze traffic patterns and provide real-time navigation suggestions to avoid congestion. Personalized marketing. AI algorithms can analyze consumer data to deliver targeted advertisements and promotions. Medical diagnosis and treatment. AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases and suggesting treatment options based on patient data. Language learning. AI-powered language learning apps can provide interactive lessons, pronunciation feedback, and personalized exercises. Recommendation systems for streaming services. AI algorithms analyze user preferences to recommend movies, TV shows, and music on streaming platforms. Energy efficiency. AI can optimize energy usage in buildings by analyzing data and controlling heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) systems. Personalized weather forecasts. AI algorithms can provide hyper-localized weather forecasts based on user location and preferences. Job search and recruitment. AI-powered platforms can match job seekers with suitable job opportunities and help recruiters identify qualified candidates. Personalized synthesis-related speech. For applications like audiobooks and voiceovers, speech synthesis technology can generate human-like speech. Individualized meal plans can be created with the help of artificial intelligence. Old people's personal aids. Reminders, medication alert, and emergency assistance can be provided by artificial intelligence-powered devices. Cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence can detect and prevent cyber threats by analyzing network traffic. There is emotional recognition. Artificial intelligence can analyze facial expressions and voice patterns. Individualized fashion recommendations. Artificial intelligence-powered apps can suggest clothing and accessory options based on individual style preferences and body measurements. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Press the like and subscribe to watch more videos with AI.